Art techniques. Point of view. POV, point of view. And that means where your eye is. Is it looking up? Is it looking down? Is it looking at eye level? Is it looking into the distance? Is it close up? The first picture shows a building from ground level looking up. The second picture of the beach shows from looking down, bird's eye view, looking down at the beach. The third picture of the cat is at eye level. And the last one, example, is of a picture with a person kicking a soccer ball and we're looking into the distance. Your eye is drawn to the person in the distance. Close-up would be a close-up of a face or whatever the picture is.